A basic understanding of the ocular anatomy will help you understand how the eye functions to produce sight. In addition, it will also assist you in answering questions from your customers regarding healthy sight. Cornea. The cornea is the transparent front part of the eye that covers the iris, pupil, and anterior chamber. Together with the lens, the cornea refracts light into the eye and begins the focusing process. Pupil. The pupil is the hole located in the center of the iris that is responsible for controlling the amount of light that enters the eye. The pupil appears black because most of the light entering the eye is absorbed by the tissues inside the eye. Iris. The iris is the part of the eye that determines eye color and consists of pigmented fibrovascular tissue known as stroma. The size of the pupil is controlled by the involuntary constriction and dilation of the iris. In normal light, a healthy human pupil has a diameter of about 3 to 4 millimeters. In bright light, the pupil has a diameter of about 1.5 millimeters, and in dim light, the diameter is enlarged to about 8 millimeters. Sclera. The sclera surrounding the iris is also called the white of the eye. It is an opaque protective outer layer that helps maintain the shape of the eye and also provides an attachment for the muscles of the eye. Crystalline lens. After light passes through the pupil, it is then refracted through the lens. The crystalline lens is a transparent biconvex structure in the eye that helps to refract light to be focused on the retina. By changing shape, the lens makes it possible to focus on objects at various distances. Retina. The thin layer of sensory tissue covering 2/3 of the back inner layer of the eye is called the retina. After light passes through the lens, it is focused on the specific area of the retina responsible for clear central vision and color vision, or the macula. The remaining areas of the retina are responsible for motion detection, depth perception, as well as other sensory applications. Optic nerve. Stimulation of the retina by light produces the sensation of vision. The optic nerve carries the electrical impulses from the visual stimuli in the retina out of the eye to the brain for interpretation. Your new understanding of the basic ocular anatomy will provide the knowledge required to answer questions from your customers about healthy sight and how vision disorders can lead to decreased visual acuity.